Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Discord on PC. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, open the browser on your laptop or PC. Then type in the search field with the keyword Discord. Click Discord to enter the official Discord site. After entering the Discord site, click the Download menu. Click Download for Windows. Then the Discord setup file will be downloaded. Wait until the download process is complete. If it has been downloaded successfully, open the Discord setup file. Click Run. And then, you just need to wait until the installation process is complete. This will take a while depending on the speed of your internet connection and the performance of your PC. And yeah, Discord has been successfully installed, and then you can log in or register a Discord account on your PC. That's the tutorial on how to download Discord on a PC or laptop. See you in the next video. Thank you.